Hi students, and welcome to week 5 in your online lifespan growth and development class. This week we will cover chapter 5, which is moving us on to early childhood, and in this chapter we'll focus on the body-mind part of that developmental stage. So this week your Piaget experiment is due, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what you have done with that assignment. If you missed what I'm talking about, I did talk a little bit about it in last week's video, so if you go back and review last week's video, you'll have an introduction to it. But when you click on this assignment, there is a video up top that explains it further. So just to reiterate, without driving you all crazy, for those of you who have heard it now 3 or 4 times, it's not about length, it's about the experience of working with one of Piaget's famous experiments. I'm not looking for a APA formatted paper to be turned in. I'm really looking for a reflection to be submitted on how the experiment went for you, and what you learned from it, and a basic understanding of pre-operational thought. And then as far as how you turn this in, I will accept videos. Just remember, make sure that if you are recording the child, that you have permission from the caregiver to do so. I will say that Canvas is very secure, and the only people that will have access to that video is you, who's uploading it, and me, who's looking at it. So if that's not an option for you to video, then you can certainly type it up. So again, this is about the experience and a reflection of what you learned through that. Okay, reach out to me if you have any questions whatsoever about the Piaget conservation of liquids experiment. And also due this week, you have your chapter 5 quiz. So I hope you have a great week. Congratulations, you are a quarter of the way through the semester. It's flying by, or at least it is for me. I am so appreciating the work that you are putting into this class. I have thoroughly enjoyed and learned from you, and feel like I'm getting to know you through your journals. So excellent work with that. And you're doing a great job. Keep it up. I'm here if you have any questions. Take care and have a great week, everyone.